This 10 News Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
So exciting, and opening day just around the corner. All right, another picture-perfect day in America's finest cities. We see the sunny skies all across our ABC 10 News sky cams, from the coast to the mountains, but the deserts are also crystal clear right now. Temperatures have been very comfortable today, a little bit cooler than the heat that we were experiencing, but still above normal. In fact, we're in the 60s for the coast, inland, and most mountains right now, with mid-80s in the deserts. All right, the wind is going to be picking up late tomorrow, especially in the mountains and the deserts, and this is where that wind advisory begins at 10 p.m. Wednesday, lasts until 10 a.m. on Thursday. Looking at widespread gusts, 25 to 45 miles per hour, but peak gusts may exceed 60 miles per hour, and most of this wind is going to be coming when a lot of us are sleeping, so you might want to secure those loose outdoor items before you go to bed tomorrow night if you live in those areas. Along the coast, we're going to wake up with the marine layer. It's going to be back tomorrow, so patchy fog possible for the commute. Those clouds will give way to sunny skies by the afternoon, with temperatures topping off mostly in the mid-60s. Inland neighborhoods, we're also going to see areas of fog, and dense fog is also going to be a possibility, not only Wednesday morning, but Thursday morning as well, with temperatures topping off in the 70s by the afternoon. So we're looking at 60s and 70s almost everywhere in the county, 80s in the deserts. The mountains and the deserts are still trending 5 to 10 degrees above normal. Cooler weather arrives Thursday for the mountains and deserts, and that's when everybody across the county will be trending near average. This is the storm system that I am tracking, and again, I've been talking about this all week long, but it's a very interesting forecast. So as that system approaches, it's enhancing our marine layer, bringing that patchy fog to the coast and the valleys Wednesday and Thursday morning. It's also going to bring those gusty winds to the mountains and the deserts. Then as that system dives south, it actually splits in two, but we don't care about that part. As it dives south, Santa Ana winds are going to be developing Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then that system pushes over the Pacific, picks up some moisture, and potentially brings us some rain heading into Monday. And then it finally starts to push out of the area. First thing we're going to notice with this system is that wind. Well, after the fog is the wind. This is Saturday, so this could be a moderate to potentially strong Santa Ana wind event, depending on when and where this storm actually tracks. But gusty winds will likely continue through Sunday, peaking on Saturday. And then on Sunday, by Sunday evening, we could see a chance for rain rolling in. Again, it depends on how close the system gets to us, with that chance for showers lingering to Monday, maybe even into Tuesday. So a lot could still change with this forecast. I'm keeping my eyes on it, and I will give you the latest updates as soon as they come in. But this is what it looks like right now. 60s through Friday, areas of fog Wednesday and Thursday morning, dry and breezy Friday and Saturday, and temperatures bumping into the mid-70s on Saturday with those Santa Ana winds. Slight chance for showers on Sunday through Tuesday. Monday looking like the best chance for a little bit of rain. For the inland neighborhoods, Thursday's the coolest day. 71's pretty typical for this time of the year. Back in the mid-70s Friday through the weekend with those gustier Santa Ana winds rolling in. And then that chance for rain early next week. Now for the mountains, temperatures plummet to the 50s by Thursday, but those 50s are more typical for early March. 50s sticking around into next week, and those gusty winds, again, peak gusts could exceed 60 miles per hour in the mountains and the deserts where that wind advisory is. And then Friday and Saturday, the winds turn offshore. So the mountains are still dealing with the wind, but not so much in the deserts, and the deserts cooling off to the 70s starting on Thursday.